what's up? This is Bad Wolf Gun 1, or some people call me Spider-Man Gun 1. Obviously, I'm either or, but I'm mostly on Spider-Man. There's a couple things I want to say to NIRVANA57 Gun 1, since he's gonna be finally resting in peace. Thank you for teaching me how to make videos, how to edit them. I've learned a lot from you, and I've also learned a lot of game-style gameplays, of how to play and what to do. It's been a real honor playing and editing with you. I really appreciate it. Thank you, and rest in peace.